Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to show you that how to reset B1 site user password in the system landscape directly, and know as it also know as SLD in SAP Business One. So the SAP B1 SiteUser is a system level user created during the installation of SAP Business One. It's mainly used by system service like the license manager, job service, and the browser access service to communicate fluidly with the SLD and SAP Business One. Starting from SAP Business One version 10 FP2208, SAP introduced the option to manage and reset the B1 site user password directly through Keycloak. Okay, so which is integrated into the SLD for improved security and identity management. Okay, so in this video I will walk you through the step-by-step process for resetting the password, updating it in services, and making sure everything works smoothly. Let's get started. So first let's connect to our Linux server with your Linux user ID and password using mobile stream. Once connected our Linux server, open the Firefox by using this command, Firefox, and it will appear. This will launch the Firefox browser on your Linux server, and in the Firefox browser, go to the SAP Business One Authentication service URL, which is showing on your screen that your server IP, and by default the port number is 40020. Okay, so once you type the authentication service URL, it will open your Keycloak screen. Before that, when you open the link, click on advanced and accept the risks and continue. Okay, now see the welcome to Keycloak page. At the bottom of the page, click on administration console, and here we can create a new Keycloak user ID and password page. Click on administration console, and here we can create a new Keycloak user ID and password for the administrator. Once created, refresh the page, and click on administration console again. You will be redirected to the Keycloak login page. Login using the user ID and password you just created. Okay, now after login with the Keycloak dashboard, on the right side here, click on users, then select view all users, click on ID of B1 SiteUser, and user enabled is turned off. Switch it on, and click save. Your B1 SiteUser is now enabled again. This is usually happens when the user gets logged after entering the wrong password multiple times. And if you know your password, then you can directly log in your SLD. And if you don't know, you can directly log in to your SLD. Okay, if you don't remember the password, you can reset it as well. credential tab on the same user page. Enter a new password and make sure to turn off the temporary options. Click reset password and confirm when prompt. Now open the SLD login page of SAP Business One. Login using the reset password for B1 SiteUser. Now be able to access the system landscape directory SLD successful and view the database instance. Okay, this is all of the things that we can reset B1 SiteUser password. That is it. Okay, so you have successfully enabled and reset the B1 SiteUser in SAP Business One using Keycloak. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more SAP Business One tutorials. See you in the next video. Thank you.